Dear friends, now we are going to deal with a new topic, that is the voice. Let us see something about the voice. There are two types of voices. First one is known as active voice and the other one is known as passive voice. What is active voice? A sentence in which the doer, the subject is given importance. That type of sentences are known as active voice. Mostly in our conversation and when we write, we use sentences in the active voice. But it is also necessary to remember to know about passive voice also, because there are certain conditions where we have to express the sentence or the idea in the passive voice only, and such situations demand the passive voice. Passive voice is the conversion of an active voice sentence into passive voice, and passive voice in passive voice the object is given importance and the subject or doer is not at all counted here. But we should know how to change our sentences from active voice into passive voice, because both these voices are used in our day-to-day writing and speaking activities. Let us see some sentences. In active voice we say I took food, and the same idea is conveyed in the passive voice as food was taken by me. When we change this sentence from this active voice into the other, that is passive voice, then we can notice that some changes have taken place. Now we will discuss about the changes later on. Let us see the second sentence. He draws a picture. Here the conversion is written as a picture is drawn by him. The police registered an FIR. An FIR was registered by the police. The driver stopped the bus. The bus was stopped by the driver. दोस्तों, हम जब इंग्लिश में बातचीत करना चाहते हैं तो हमारे सामने दो प्रकार की स्थिति निर्मित होती है, या तो हम एक्टिव वॉइस में बोले या पैसिव वॉइस में बोले. एक्टिव वॉइस सेंटेंस का वो रूप है जिसमें सब्जेक्ट क्रियाशील होकर के सेंटेंस को बना के कंप्लीट कर देता है. पैसिव वॉइस वह फॉर्म है जिसमें सब्जेक्ट अनइम्पोर्टेंट हो जाता है और ऑब्जेक्ट उसमें प्राइम स्थान पर या मेन प्लेस पे आ जाता है. फॉर एग्जांपल, जब हम सेंटेंसेस को देखते हैं तो हम ये देखें आई टुक फूड को फूड वाज टेकन बाय भी लिखना पड़ेगा पैसिव वॉइस में. ही ड्रॉस ए पिक्चर को ए पिक्चर इज ड्रॉन बाय हिम लिखना पड़ता है. द पुलिस रजिस्टर्ड एन FIR को an FIR was registered by the police. The driver stopped the bus को the bus was stopped by the driver. जब हम इस परिवर्तन को देखेंगे, जब हमें एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में सेंटेंस को कन्वर्ट करना है, तो यहाँ पर कुछ परिवर्तन संभव है और वो हमें करना पड़ेगा, तब जाके हमारा सेंटेंस एक्टिव वॉइस से पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. हम उसके बारे में देखते हैं. Dear friends, when we change the voice, we have to be very careful about what we are making and what changes we are going to effect on the sentence. Now let us see two sentences are written here. Now when we look at these sentences, we can find that there are something which are new here and there are some modifications here. Now let us first of all analyze the first sentence. The word she. What happened to the word she? It has been changed into her, and then comes the next word. Here it is written as cleans. Now this cleans is changed into cleaned. This is the third form of the verb. Cleans is the verb and it is third form. Here comes the room. What happened to the room? There is a change of position in the new sentence. See, here it was at the last of the sentence and here it has occupied the first position. And again see, two new words have been added here. One is, it is written here is, and the other is by. In this way we have effected some changes that is very necessary for converting a sentence from active voice into passive voice. Let us see the second sentence. He drew a picture. A picture was drawn by him. Now let us see the second sentence. Here he, it has been changed into him. Then comes a new word, that is by and was two new words are used here. Why we have to use these words, we will come to know about it after this class. Now again, the word drew, it is supposed to be the verb, and it is the verb in the second form. It has been written in the third form. Again, a picture, there is a position change with regard to the object of this sentence picture. It has become the subject of the new sentence. So when we change these sentences from active voice into passive voice, it is necessary that we have to change the sentence in the proper way. Meaning wise there should be no difference, but it should be in the passive voice exactly. Now we see here one new word is added, that is, and another new word is added, that is by. Here a new word is added, that is was, and another word, that is by. Now these are by and by, these are the common words, but now let us see. In one sentence it is written as is cleaned, and in the other sentence it is written as was drawn. Now let us leave these two words and let us focus on these two words. In one sentence he is written, and in the other sentence was is written. What is the reason for that? That is because we have to keep in mind the tense of the sentence which is in front of us. Here it is in the present indefinite tense, therefore is added. That means we have to add a helping verb. Here it is in the past indefinite form, so was is added here. We will come to know about this change in the next class. मित्रों, हियर एक्टिव वॉइस पैसिव वॉइस के कन्वर्शन में आपको कुछ चीज़ें ध्यान में रखनी है. जब सेंटेंस को हम पैसिव वॉइस में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं तो हमारे सामने कुछ चेंजेस दिखेंगे. तो आप देखें फर्स्ट सेंटेंस में जो शी है उसको हर कर दिया गया है आंसर में. क्लीन्स जो लिखा हुआ था उसकी जगह पर क्लीन्ड लिखा हुआ है. द रूम जो लिखा हुआ था उसका हमने पोजीशन चेंज कर दिया है. और यहाँ पर दो नए शब्द यूज़ कर दिए गए हैं जो कि इसमें एक्टिव वॉइस में थे ही नहीं. वो पैसिव वॉइस में ईज नया शब्द आ गया और बाई नया शब्द आ गया. इस प्रकार सेकंड सेंटेंस को देखिए, यहाँ पर ही जो लिखा हुआ था उसको हमने हिम कर दिया है और यहाँ पर नए दो शब्द आ गए हैं, एक बाई है और एक वास है. तीसरा जो है एक मेन वर्ब जो ड्रू है उसको हमने फॉर्म चेंज कर दिया है. इसका थर्ड फॉर्म यानी पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म में यूज़ करके लिखा है. देन अगेन यहाँ पर ए पिक्चर जो लास्ट में था उसको फर्स्ट में कर दिया है, यानी पोजीशन ऑफ द वर्ड पिक्चर भी यहाँ पर इफेक्ट हुआ है. इस प्रकार सेंटेंसेस को हम चेंज करते हैं तो हमें ध्यान देना चाहिए कि हमको इसमें परिवर्तन क्या क्या करना चाहिए. अब आप इसमें देखेंगे इस सेंटेंस में दोनों में ये जो दो वर्ड्स हैं ये थे ही नहीं और ये तो परिवर्तित रूप हो गया और ये टेंस के अनुसार हमको ये लिखना पड़ा. इसके बारे में हम विस्तार से अगली क्लास में देखेंगे. धन्यवाद.